Hi everyone, welcome back to NaturalNanz. Today we're going to be reviewing a new face wash that I've just started using, and it's the Neutrogena Visibly Clear Spot Proofing Daily Wash. I'm starting off with makeup on my face. I thought this would be a good idea because I want to test how good this face wash really is. Normally I oil cleanse before going in with some sort of soap cleanser, but today I decided let me just go in straight with this new face wash and see how good it really is at cleaning. At this point in time, I'm also experiencing quite a lot of breakouts, and I don't know if they are hormonal or bacterial or fungal, so I thought this would be a great opportunity for me to test out the acne proofing properties that it has. Also, it does have salicylic acid, so that was definitely something that I needed at the time. To apply the product, I just pumped a few pumps onto my hand and I applied it directly to my face. I did not add any water to my face beforehand, and I'm glad I didn't because I think that helped it to be more effective. While I'm rubbing the makeup away, let's take a look at the Neutrogena website to learn more about this product. The benefits on the website read as follows. Their acne face wash combines a powerful acne treatment and cleanser in one formula to treat and help prevent breakouts in one simple step. Not only does the oil-free formula gently cleanse for clear skin, it contains salicylic acid to help get rid of acne and prevent future breakouts. Plus, the special skin soothers help prevent irritation and over-drying, so it rinses clean and is never oily. The website notes that it's also non-comedogenic, which means it won't clog your pores, which, I hope it wouldn't. You're a cleanser, so you should be doing the complete opposite anyway. In the drug facts, it states that it has salicylic acid 2%, and there's also a warning that if skin irritation and dryness occurs, it's likely because you are using another topical acne medication at the same time. So if you do have acne medication, then check with your dermatologist if it is safe to use this wash with your medication. Because what I have noticed in the reviews is that the people who are giving it 1 star did complain of dry skin, irritated skin, flaky skin, and maybe their medication is a factor in their review. I think I've had enough time to massage the makeup off my face. Let's go see what happens when I wash it off. I have to say, guys, I'm very impressed with this cleanser, to the point where I have not oil cleansed since I've started using this, and I wear makeup maybe 2 to 3 times a week, and sometimes my makeup is quite heavy, and it does such a great job. And the salicylic acid works. From using this cleanser twice a day, every day, I saw a significant reduction in the irritation of my skin. My acne was slowly but surely going away. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!